over here. And you are going to be making the sounds for John. Now, Danny and John live in a world where there is no noise. So if Danny tries to clap, there's nothing. Well, this guy's got it. This guy's got it. So, you two are going to be making the noises for these gentlemen. So, what I need is, please put a lot of action, a lot of noise.
Auschwitz.
That kind of noise we're going for.
Rewind, that never happened. Alright, please put a lot of action, a lot of noise.
NASCAR.
NASCAR. NASCAR?
Strip club.
Strip club. There are a lot of strange noises.
Watching the NASCAR game or race or whatever the hell they're called at a strip club.
Okay.
Alright, so you guys are watching a NASCAR game at a strip club.
John, this is the ultimate hillbilly Sunday.
I know.
NASCAR at a strip club.
You got loud cars.
Isn't it that NASCAR sound a lot like a beatboxing song?
I don't know.
I didn't know Jimmy Johnson worked for like Jehovah's or something.
I thought that was the strip club atmosphere.
Oh, yeah. I like what she's doing to that noise.
Yeah.
Oh! She's dancing to it.
What exactly are we? Yeah, was
See that? You see that wink? Come down, come down. Why'd you stop the singing? Well, you were singing? How low end is this place?
I don't know. Like, I
Put
think
this away.
What's your name? Veronica. She has two names.
Said them at the same time, which is even more impressive.
I know.
Veronica, can you put on the... Veronica? Veronica. You added a J in front of Veronica. Fine. There goes your tip. Okay, Veronica, can you please put on the NASCAR event for us? Because, like, we want to see the 500. What's up?
No.
John, right? Yeah, we're way on my high five.
Oh yeah, two high fives.
I don't even have to touch you with that impressive.
Alright.
Is she now stripping to NASCAR? She's taking something off every time they go around a lap. I don't see how she has 500 things.
I don't know. Is that sound the NASCAR?
Oh! That was my stripper! Did her leg just combust?
I've never seen anyone go down a pole like that.
The ambulance is for the NASCAR. Someone should call 911.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, apparently they fixed the NASCAR.
Okay.
Hi, a stripper combusted.
No, seriously, it really happened.
Yeah,
This is a serious number. You shouldn't be calling.
the stripper combusted. Her leg was like.
Strippers don't combust, you sick man.
Let's ask her. Veronica? Yes! Nice tone, please, Veronica. Why? I'm on fire!
Oh shit, another one's on
Do you
fire.
hear that?
You need to come here immediately.
Sir, calm down.
I think I know what's going on.
Sir, what's going on?
They're animatronic strippers.
Sir, there's no...
There's metal in there. There's no blood. No wonder they're so cheap. And they have a credit card slot.
It's like a Transformers strip club.
Oh my god, the stripper turned into the NASCAR race!
That's kind of hot, I'm not gonna lie.